Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to download and install Oracle database and SQL developer. So let us open the browser and search download Oracle database, and you can see the Oracle link over here. Just open it and you can see the various databases available. Currently I am using Microsoft Windows 64-bit. If you are using another operating system, go with other zip files. So before downloading it, it will ask you to sign in. If you have an account, just sign in. Otherwise, create an account just by simply filling up this form. If you are not working currently, then you can just put it as student over here and create an account. I have downloaded the zip file and you can see the zip file windows here. After downloading it, simply right click on it and press extract files. I have already extracted the files here. So now let us download SQL Developer. Simply open a new tab and tab download SQL Developer and just visit this site and download SQL Developer according to your OS. I have already downloaded the zip file and I have extracted it here. So now let us install the database. Open the extracted file and you can see at the end there is a setup. Open it. And here you can see the two options: create and configure a single instance database or set up software only. So right now we only need a database, so press on next. We don't need any software. And you can see there are two options: desktop class and server class. Right now we are good to go with desktop class and press on next. Previously, if you have installed the database, then you can use the same username and password and you can install it. Otherwise, go to create new Windows user and create a username of your choice and enter password. Then press on next. Here it is going to ask in which path you are going to install. So I want to change this path to C drive and I want to choose this Oracle file. You can see all the files are stored in C drive, in Oracle file and in Ora data. And here you can see the global database name. Here we are going to connect to this database and you need to create a password for this. You can choose any password of your choice and you can just simply uncheck this and press on next. So if you have not created password according to Oracle standard and if you still want to continue with the same password, press on S. Now it checks the system. And you can see these are the files that are going to be installed in our PC. Press on install. So this installation takes around 20 to 25 minutes. Here we are done with the installation. So now let us close this. And if you want to check whether the database has installed correctly or not, you can check and you have to open SQL Place and type username as sysdba and enter password. Here you won't get any text, but after typing press enter. You can see I have successfully connected to the Oracle database and the version is 19.3.0. And if you want to see the tables in the database, you can just write the query, select star from tab and press enter. So now let us see about SQL Developer. I think so you have extracted the file after downloading the zip file. So I just want to cut this file and place it in the folder where I have installed the database. So I'm just going to paste it here and just open this file. You can see there is an SQL Developer application. Open it. As you can see, we have completed fetching the data from the database. There are 8275 rows has been fetched and these are the tables available. So now So here the application has opened successfully. Now press on create a connection manually and give the name of your choice and give the username as sys and choose the role as sysdba and give the password as given while installing the database. Change the SID to ORCL and then press on test. You can see the status is success. Now we can connect to it. If you have given the username as sys, you have to connect to the role sysdba. So if you don't want the DBA role, then just press on create a connection manually and give the name of your choice and give the username as system and give the password that you have given while installing the database and give this SID as ORCL and this press on test. You can see the status is success. Now press on connect. Now we can query. So now press select star from user underscore tables and just hit Ctrl plus enter. You can see the result here. So if you don't want to use this SQL developer, you can also use live SQL. Just open your browser and type live SQL and visit this Oracle site and just press on start coding now. So for this you need to sign in. So here we can do the query. So now let us try to create a table. So press create table, new table and just give the column as V and give the data type as number or anything and hit Ctrl plus enter. You can see the table has been created successfully. So that's it and I'll see you in the next video.